information.
Hi, my name is Cody Maher with Frontier Computer Corp. I'm going to show you how to change a CPU out on DL380 Gen8P. Let's go ahead. You're going to start out here with removing the air shield. You're going to pull back and release your heatsink. That'll just pop out. Say right now you had a 10-core processor in there, you wanted to go to an 8-core processor just to save on the licensing. All you do is push this down here, remove that, go to the other side, processor flips up, you remove this, you put back in your 8-core processor. At this point you'd have to put some of the heatsink adhesive on there. Go ahead and just close it all back up. Put your heatsink back on top. Make sure you line up your holes. There we go. Back down. All set.